Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Robonetics Automation Research and Development Center. Here, we are very excited to reveal you that the next generation of automation technology. Now, Robonetics Automation started the business in 2018 by integrating robotic technology to all the manufacturing industry, and later they expanded the business into all sectors as pharma, food and so on. In 2021, they stepped into logistic and warehouse automation by collaborating with iRobot, who is pioneer in warehouse automation technology. Post-COVID situation catalyzed the world industry to think about adapting the high-end technologies. Let's hear from the Robonetics team.
We at Robonetics Automation Solution believe that AGVs, AMRs aren't merely the hollow structures of different set of hardwares comprising of gearboxes and motors, but instead it is all about the artificial machine intelligence and ROs being the major role players.
The most challenging crucial part in this technology is safety. Have you ensured it?
We Robonetics strongly believe that when it's come into safety, no compromise for quality standards and safety measures. One of the main advantages of AGV, that is automated guided vehicle, is that they are safer than the manual transportation of material, such as manned forklift. AGV don't harm people's or damage infrastructures because they are provided with the safety sensors that prevent them from running into the people's or things, within the aim that make AGV safer than the wider industries or commercial use. There are certain safety rules and the AGV safety standards that all AGV must comply with. In order to comply with these AGV safety rules, AGV must include some safety sensor and devices.
Okay, how do you define success rate in your field?
It is very complicated question and it is very hard to explain as well. We believe success rate is nothing but getting repeated orders from the same existing customers. As well as the robot and the cobot are used in many industries such as large scale and also the small scale industries. These type of bots are mainly used for handling like pick and place, machine tending or transporting. The high level sensitive is the best in these industries. This make for the safer than comparative brands. In fact, we are having the right palletizing machineries is the key to moving your product out of the factory and into consumer hand. This impact on the labor force due to the COVID-19 increase the need of adaptive automation.
Today, I came here to know about how these technologies are working, and thanks to Robonetics team to make me understand. If you have any bottlenecks in your project, need an expert advice, please do contact Robonetics team. Thank you, bye-bye.